is full of life, from the tiniest microorganisms to the largest animals and towering trees. It is a planet teeming with biodiversity, with ecosystems ranging from lush rainforests and vast oceans to arid deserts and icy polar regions. The delicate balance of nature sustains life through interconnected systems. Plants produce oxygen, animals contribute to the food chain, and microorganisms recycle nutrients. Humans, too, play a significant role shaping the environment through innovation, culture, and civilization. Despite its beauty and abundance, Earth faces challenges like climate change, deforestation, and pollution. However, people around the world are working toward solutions, striving to protect this incredible planet for future generations. Hi, I am student nurse Raisa Aragon from BSN2F of University of Rizal System Taytay Campus, College of Nursing. I will be discussing the importance of biodiversity and symbiosis of our society with science, nature, and its well-being. But before that, let me discuss first what biodiversity and symbiosis means. Biodiversity is all the different kinds of life you'll find in one area. The variety of animals, plants, fungi, and even microorganisms like bacteria that make up our natural world. While symbiosis is a broad term that describes any interaction between two or more species where the organisms live in proximity and often depend on each other for survival. There are types of symbiosis. Number 1 is mutualism. Both organisms benefit from the relationship. Commensalism is one organism benefit while the other is neither harmed or helped. The last one is parasitism. One organism benefits while the other is harmed. Example of a symbiosis is when humans benefit from crops like corn and beans and in return help these plants survive and reproduce by planting and caring for them. Symbiotic relationships are essential for the survival and evolution of many species, playing a crucial role in ecosystems and biodiversity. The role of biodiversity in a thriving planet. Biodiversity is crucial for a thriving planet, supporting essential ecosystem services like food production, clean water, and climate regulation, and is the foundation for human well-being and economic stability. Biodiversity is essential for a diverse and stable food supply as it underpins pollination, soil fertility, and pest control, all vital for agriculture. Healthy ecosystems rich in biodiversity are crucial for filtering water and purifying air, providing essential resources for human life. Biodiversity plays a vital role in regulating the climate, with ecosystems like forests and wetlands acting as carbon sinks, absorbing and storing vast amounts of carbon dioxide. scientific breakthroughs are derived from natural resources, highlighting the importance of biodiversity for human health and scientific innovation. Biodiversity supports various industries including agriculture, forestry, tourism, and fisheries, contributing significantly to economic stability and livelihoods. Diverse ecosystems are more resilient to disturbances like climate change, diseases, and natural disasters as they have a wider range of species and resources to grow upon. A wide variety of species and ecosystems allows for greater adaptability to changing environmental conditions, ensuring the long-term survival of life on Earth. Exposure to nature and biodiverse environments has been shown to reduce stress, improve mental health, and promote overall well-being. Biodiversity holds cultural and spiritual significance for many communities, providing a sense of connection to nature and promoting traditional knowledge and practices. Science provides society with knowledge and technological advancements that can improve lives and address societal challenges. Society, in turn, provides science with the resources, funding, and support needed to conduct research and development. This interaction is often referred to as knowledge transfer. Science must respond to societal needs and global challenges, and citizens must be scientifically literate to make informed decisions. Humanity is deeply connected to nature, and our well-being depends on the health of the planet. Society's action can have a significant impact on the environment, and it's crucial to understand the consequences of these actions. We need to foster a sense of stewardship and responsibility towards nature to ensure a sustainable future. Scientific knowledge is essential for understanding and addressing environmental issues such as climate change, biodiversity loss, and pollution. Science can help us develop sustainable solutions and technologies that minimize our impact on the environment. The study of nature is a fundamental aspect of scientific inquiry, and understanding natural systems is crucial for our survival. The consequences of ignoring biodiversity. Ignoring biodiversity leads to numerous consequences, including food insecurity, loss of ecosystem services, economic losses, climate instability, and increased health risks, ultimately impacting human well-being and the planet's ability to support life. Reduced biodiversity makes food suppliers more vulnerable to pests, diseases, and climate change, potentially leading to crop failures and food shortages. Ecosystem degrading can affect clean air, water, and food, leading to health problems. Additionally, the loss of natural resources, including plants and animals, can mean losing potential medicines and treatments. Loss of biodiversity can negatively impact industries like agriculture, tourism, and fishing, leading to economic instability. Biodiversity loss can diminish the ability of ecosystems to provide essential services like clean water, pollination, and climate regulation. Many potential medicines and treatments are derived from plants and animals, and the loss of biodiversity means losing these potential resources. Deforestation, which is a major driver of biodiversity loss, can increase carbon dioxide emissions, contributing to climate change. Biodiversity loss can lead to the loss of cultural traditions and knowledge associated with nature and its resources. Biodiversity is crucial for the stability and resilience of ecosystems, and its loss can make ecosystems more vulnerable to disturbances like climate change, disease outbreaks, and invasive species. Ecosystems with reduced biodiversity are more susceptible to soil erosion, which can negatively impact agricultural productivity and ecosystem health. Human activities such as deforestation and urbanization lead to habitat loss and fragmentation, which can isolate populations and make them more vulnerable to extinction. The loss of certain species can disrupt the intricate web of interaction within ecosystems, leading to cascading effects. Healthy ecosystems, particularly forests and wetlands, play a vital role in absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Biodiversity loss can reduce the ability of these ecosystems to store carbon, exacerbating climate change. The loss of biodiversity increases the risk of species extinction, which can have cascading effects on ecosystems and human society. Preserve biodiversity and symbiosis, focus on protecting habitats, combating climate change, reducing pollution, managing resources sustainability, and promoting community involvement and education. Number 1 is to protect natural areas. Establish and maintain protected areas like national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and conservation reserves. Restore our ecosystem. Restore degraded ecosystems to improve our health and resilience, creating safe havens for wildlife. Fragmented habitats. Create corridors between habitats to allow for movement and gene flow of species. Reduce greenhouse gas emissions, transition to renewable energy sources, and implement policies to reduce carbon emissions. Restore natural carbon sinks. Protect and restore forests, wetlands, and other natural ecosystems that store carbon. We need to reduce plastic and chemical pollution, implement stricter regulations, and promote responsible waste management practices. Protect water quality. Prevent pollution from agricultural runoff, industrial discharge, and sewage. Reduce overexploitation. Implement sustainable fishing practices, forestry management, and mining operations. Encourage practices that minimize environmental impact, such as crop rotation, reduced pesticide use, and agroforestry. Implement strategies to manage and eradicate invasive species that threaten native ecosystems. partner with local communities to implement conservation projects. Recognize the importance of symbiotic relationships in maintaining ecosystem health and biodiversity. Focus conservation efforts on species that play a critical role in maintaining ecosystem function. Protect areas with high concentrations of unique species and ecosystems. Life on Earth thrives on biodiversity, which provides essential resources, maintains ecosystem stability, and enhances resilience to environmental changes. It plays a crucial role in human survival by ensuring clean air, water, food security, and medicinal resources. However, human activities such as pollution, deforestation, and climate change pose significant threats to ecosystems, leading to species extinction and ecological imbalances. Sustainability relies on a balanced relationship between society, nature, and scientific advancements. Scientific research aids in understanding ecosystems, developing conservation strategies, and finding innovative solutions to environmental challenges. Technologies like sustainable agriculture, eco-friendly urban planning, and renewable energy help foster a harmonious existence with nature. Ensuring long-term well-being requires the coexistence of humans and the natural world. By promoting conservation efforts, reducing our ecological footprint, and responsibly applying scientific knowledge, we can protect biodiversity and create a sustainable future for generations to come.